Hello, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm talking about how to create SAS transport files, which is x.xpt file for submission. So why do we need XPT files? Because the XPT format datasets are required for FDA new drug application, and the SAS datasets are not acceptable. Macro. This macro was developed under SAS 9.4 version under Windows environment. So basically, you will have a macro called SAS2xpt, and the parameter is your data in, the input dataset. First, you will specify a lab name for the input SAS dataset folder, and then you specify the output XPT datasets where they should be put, which folder. So you will specify the folder for XPT datasets. And here we used export and proc copy to do the conversion. So basically you put your in data lab name and out data lab name, and then select the input dataset, and just that's the macro to convert. Okay, so for run this macro is very easy. You just put your dataset name, such ADSL or ADAE, and it's such. So it's really kind of straightforward.